I asked for the last one chance. Without you, my life was nothing. You were so selfish that could not see what you did to me. But I don't know why I still forgive all your flaws. You keep hurting me and I keep forgetting it. But now finally I'm saying that we are done. Yeah, we are done. I can't take this anymore. I can't take this anymore. But I will always miss you. I will always miss you. Just like you were always there in my rough days. You were always there in my rough days. In my rough days.